In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a domain in Zoho Mail. This is a fairly straightforward process, but it's important to pay attention to each step to ensure a smooth transition for your mail accounts and to avoid any potential hiccups. Let's walk through it together. First, you'll want to log into your Zoho account and navigate to the admin console. The admin console is your control center for managing all aspects of your Zoho Mail, including domain settings. Once you're in the admin console, look for an option labeled Domains. This area is specifically designed for handling your domain configurations, making it the go-to place for this task. Now that you're in the Domains section, you'll see a list of domains that are currently associated with your Zoho Mail account. Find the domain you wish to change. This is your old domain. Go ahead and click on it. By doing so, you'll open up a page that gives you detailed information about this particular domain, including all the users and mailboxes that are associated with it. This next part is crucial. You need to check for any associated users. Why is this important? Well, any email address or mailbox linked to the old domain will need to be reassigned or removed before you can delete the domain. It's like cleaning house before moving out. This ensures that users don't lose access to their emails, and it maintains the integrity of your communication system. As you identify each mailbox or user tied to the old domain, you will have some decisions to make. Can this user be reassigned to a different domain? Or do you need to delete their mailbox completely? Reassigning a mailbox might involve updating users' email addresses to your new domain, while deleting would naturally mean they no longer receive emails at this address. Take the time to notify users of any changes to minimize disruptions. Once you've dealt with the mailboxes and users, the old domain should now be free of any remaining ties. Now, direct your attention to the Delete option. You'll want to carefully click Delete to remove the old domain from the system. A quick reminder, make sure you're absolutely certain about this step, as deleting a domain is a permanent action. There you have it. Your Zoho Mail domain is now changed. By following these steps, visiting the admin console, reviewing associated users, managing mailboxes, and finally, deleting the old domain, you'll maintain an efficient email system without unnecessary clutter. Thank you for watching, and feel free to reach out if there are other topics or how-tos you'd like us to cover. Until next time, enjoy utilizing your updated domain in Zoho Mail.